Okay guys, so this video is just a quick review on the 4 transformations we're going to see in this unit 12. So the first thing is, what is a transformation? It's when you do something to a point, line, or shape. When I say something is, the first thing you can do a translation. What translation means when you move something around, moving it just up, down, left, or right. Not changing the direction, not changing the size. It's literally just moving it, shifting it from one place to another, as you can see. Now, when you see the letter A, that is always the original position of the shape. And whenever you see an apostrophe, you will consider the final position of the place. As you can see, letter A was the original place. Once you moved it, you got a copy, the final position. We called it the A copy, right? So that's the first one. It can also be with shapes or lines. You see, you moved it. You started over here because it doesn't have parentheses. It doesn't have apostrophe. Sorry. The apostrophes are over here, so that's how I don't know where I ended. So I went 8 to the left and 3 up. The next one is a rotation, which is to move a point or a shape around another point. Basically, this is the center. This is where I'm moving the point across. I started over here, and I'm going against the clock, which is why I call it counterclockwise. If you're going the same direction as the clock, we call it clockwise. It's all around the center P. P is like the sun, and this is going around the sun, you see? And it's going like a clock. Number 3 is the reflection. It's when you flip a shape across a line. If you can see, the original is going to be the blue one, and there is something called the line of reflection. This is where you flip the shape. You're flipping it across this line, and here's a copy, right? And the last one, number 4, is a dilation. Dilation is when the shape gets bigger or smaller. Letter A in green is original because it doesn't have any apostrophes. So you can either make it smaller or make it bigger, but it still remains a triangle. It's just a different size. We're going to go over these more in detail in each other lesson, but this is basically just a review. So stay tuned.